Hello peeps, welcome again to my channel, and today I'm not going to talk about Bitcoin. I'm going to talk about another cryptocurrency that I believe will be very revolutionary in the future. And the problem that it's trying to solve is related to advertising on the internet. So the first thing we will do is we'll open our browser and go to CoinMarketCap. And this website is the website that you can use, coinmarketcap.com, to track all the cryptocurrencies. And the one that we are going to talk about today is called Basic Attention Token. And let's search here for Basic Attention Token. And you have the chart here, you can check the price, but I'm not going to talk the price and not speculate about the price. Let's go to the website. So basically, what is the Basic Attention Token and which problem it's trying to solve? Basically, this Basic Attention Token tries to solve a problem, a very big problem in the advertising industry on the internet. And of course, you can check the website, you can also check the video. Actually, you should check the video to understand a bit more about the problems that it's trying to solve. But I can summarize a little bit is, just like you see here, before you used to have users, advertisers, and publishers. But today, you actually have a middleman that do a lot of tracking, and all this tracking consumes a lot of data, especially if you are on mobile, on your phone. All this advertising and the tracking consumes a lot of battery and data from your data plan. So the solution that Basic Attention Token, or BAT, provides is to eliminate this middleman by providing a currency that can be used to exchange between users, advertisers, and publishers. You should actually read the white paper if you want to know more about the details. It's a bit technical, but it's understandable. But if you don't have technical background, you can just check the website and see if you are interested. I'm not going to talk about investing in Basic Attention Token, or BAT. I'm just going to talk about the problem that it solves and how you can actually use it. Because for me personally, a cryptocurrency is only useful if you can actually use it. And this one you can actually use. Many of the cryptocurrencies that you saw, that you can see on CoinMarketCap, don't even have a product yet. And this one you can actually use today. And I will show you how you can use it and how you can contribute to make the advertising space much better for publishers and users. So here you have the challenge that they are trying to solve. And basically, users are abused in terms of this advertising industry. You are bombarded with trackers and ads, and some of you would actually be willing to pay to not have these ads and to not be tracked. And up to here, it says that up to 50% of the average user's mobile data is for ads and trackers. And this also has a lot of impact on your battery, because all this processing needs to actually use battery from your phone. Another problem that comes up is a lot of people, like myself, use ad blockers. And if I use an ad blocker, I don't see ads. So obviously the publisher will not get rewarded, will not get money from the content that he's producing. So using my example, assuming that I would be able to monetize my YouTube channel, which is not the case, because it's a new channel, if you use an ad blocker, you would not see ads on my content. So how can I be rewarded from the fact that you are not seeing ads? I mean, in the long term, it doesn't work. So the solution that Basic Attention Token provides is for you to actually use a new browser. And here is like the solution to this problem. So the stage one is to actually use another browser that we will download here now. And the second stage is the token. You can read the explanation of learning how it works, but we will download Brave, which is the browser that I use. I'm actually using a new account on this computer just to be able to explain. This is a browser that I use daily, and also both on desktop and on my phone. We will download Brave, and I will install Brave, and I will show you one of the difference between opening CoinMarketCap with Firefox and with Brave. So after installing Brave, you'll get asked if you are ready to make Brave your default browser. In my case, I will say yes, use Brave. And I will change here to Brave. And just to give you an example, let's do this. I will actually open here CoinMarketCap. And you will see that I have advertisement. So I have this banner here, this one, and this one. So now let's do the same with Brave. I don't see any advertisement. So now there's a problem here. How can CoinMarketCap actually get money from me? They cannot. And what Brave does is basically it blocks all the advertisement and the trackers, but allows me to reward this website with these BAT tokens. So if you go here to the settings, there is a tab called Payments, which is now off. But just like it says here, Brave has created a simple way for you to contribute to the sites that you use most. So the browser uses artificial intelligence to actually measure the attention that you give to certain websites. And by measuring this attention, it allows you to reward these websites with these BAT tokens. So first you have to purchase these tokens with normal money or with Bitcoin or some other cryptocurrencies. And then you say, for example, I'm willing to spend 10 euros per month, and you can split those 10 euros between all the websites that I visited. And of course you have control over these websites. And it will every month reward these users or these websites with this number of tokens, and they can redeem these tokens for money later. So now I will actually activate the payments, and I will explain you how this works. So by clicking on, I have here the monthly budget that I can choose, the amount of, here it's in US dollars, but you can choose the amount of money that you are willing to donate every month. And here's my account balance. I don't have any money. And I can add funds. So if I click add funds, it created already a wallet for me, and now it allows me to buy these tokens. So here you can see that you can buy, that you can transfer to your BAT wallet by buying with Bitcoin, Ethereum, BAT if you already have them in another wallet, or Litecoin. And if you followed my previous video on Bitcoin, you could use, for example, that money to buy these tokens, but that's a video that I will explain in the future. You can now browse the internet without seeing any ads. So if I click here, and this is quite interesting, the browser tracks the amount of trackers that it blocked, the ads that it blocked, and the time saved from the fact that it did not download these ads. So I already opened CoinMarketCap maybe twice. So 4 trackers were blocked, 11 ads blocked, and 1 second of my time was saved. And this adds up over time. So if you would like to support the websites that you use without seeing any ads, Brave is a very good solution that you can use to make the internet a better place. So you will not be bombarded with ads, no more ads on YouTube, no video pre-rolls, but you can also reward those YouTube channels with these tokens. And that brings me to the next step. So if I open the Brave website, you see here at the bottom that YouTube creators can now monetize with Brave. So since my YouTube channel right now is not monetizable because it needs to meet a certain criteria, because YouTube now requires me to have 1,000 subscribers, at least 4,000 minutes of watch, I think it's 4,000, and also I need to have 10,000 views. So I will only be able to make money with this YouTube channel after I meet these requirements. But if I activate this feature on my YouTube channel, what happens is if someone with Brave visits my YouTube channel and watches a video, I will be rewarded every month with these tokens, which I can later redeem for money. So basically, you are providing an incentive, or let's say a donation, to the people that you usually watch content from. Could be me, could be any other YouTube channel. As long as they activate this feature on their channel, they will be rewarded every month from the fact that you gave attention to their channel. So basically that's it for this video. I hope you are interested in using Brave as your browser. You will not need to use ad blockers anymore. In case you use them, you will not need to use the ad blocker anymore, and you will be able to reward the publishers of the content that you like. I really hope you liked this video, and if you did, please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel and activate that notification bell to make sure that you get notified on future videos. I will try to make one video every day in the world of cryptocurrencies, and hopefully you will learn much more about this space. So thanks very much for watching. See you next time.